Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So I think since long we haven't done any video on
Yeah.
Talapati Vijay sir. So
Yes.
today we thought to give our reaction on Vijay goosebump moments from the movie Theri, Master, Talaiva and Bigil.
Yes.
And this video got released on Amazon Prime.
Yes, so this is actually all the goosebumps moments of Talapati Vijay sir from these respective movies like Teri, Master, Talaiva and Bigil. So let's get started. Already we have seen all the movies. I think we have seen.
Yes.
Na Talaiva
Yes.
ko chhod ke
No, I
बाकी
have
सारा
seen
movies
Talaiva
है.
also.
You have
Yes.
seen Talaiva also. So
Yes.
literally all the scenes are goosebump scenes only.
Right.
Oh my god.
All
Okay.
this movie is Master Blaster, right?
Master the Blaster. Okay,
All-
so let's
all
get
the movie
started.
is Master Blaster.
Yeah, let's
Not
get
only
started
Master, yes.
because our eyes are literally are thirsty because it's been so long that we have not seen Talapati Vijay sir in this channel, and we are supremely eagerly waiting for Beast.
Right.
To get some updates from Beast
Most
actually.
probably in 2022 that movie will get released. So
Yeah.
most probably in coming few months we might get some
Ah,
more
we
updates.
might get some more updates, yes.
Yes.
So let's get started. But to say, well, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes. Woo. Master. Harry. Woo. This one is
Yeah.
Master. Bigel.
Yeah.
Master. And then this is also theory.
I really love the music.
तुम एक साधारण इंसान हो, पर फर्ज करो तुमने उसे पकड़ लिया, तब उसके साथ क्या करोगे?
सर पहला मारेगा, उस साले की खाल खींच लेगा, इसी पुल का नीचे उस बैंक के टके को नंगा करके उल्टा लटका के मारेगा.
We have seen this.
जाके जरा ब्रिज के नीचे देखो. जाओ देखो.
सर
Ooh. Woo. This is
CT.
amazing. Amazing with suspense. Right. Ooh.
Super.
Rajendra is happy.
भूख लगी है राजेंद्र, जल्दी भुर्जी पाओ. उसके
चलो.
बाप को फोन करके भी तो बुलाना है.
Nice one.
Iconic.
Okay. Master. Oh, that emotional scene, right? Oof. Now this
Goosebumps.
is coming back.
Goosebumps moments. Seriously, goosebumps moments.
You have watched in theaters.
Yeah, I have watched
It
in
was a
theater.
different feeling only for this
Yeah,
one.
I have.
Oof. Come on. Oof. Police station sale.
Very natural fighting.
Mm.
Very natural acting.
Full on. Execution is super.
थोड़ा expression.
Oh.
जरा यहाँ
Oh. Back to theory again.
तेरी.
कौन है?
भुर्जी पाव खा लिए.
कुछ कह नहीं सकते.
It is coming
वो
back.
जो कोई भी है, उसे इसी जिंदगी में नर्क का मजा न चखाया तो फिर कहना.
माफ करना पर बेटा तो आपका भी नर्क में ही होगा, क्योंकि वो भी एक फरार मुजरिम था, रेपिस्ट, क्रिमिनल, समाज पे एक धब्बा. उसने जो किया, मेरे ख्याल से नर्क में भी जगह नहीं मिली.
वो लड़की का रेप हुआ कौन किया? ये बात का पता तुम 10 घंटा में लगा ले. अपनी काबिलियत का सबूत दे दिए हो तुम. अब हम तुम्हें 10 घंटा का टाइम देता हूँ. हमरे बेटे के कातिल को ढूंढ के बताओ, तब ही हम तुम्हार बहादुरी का जौहर मानूंगा.
सर, मुजरिम तो कोई भी हो सकता है. पब्लिक में से कोई हो सकता है, या मीडिया में से कोई हो सकता है, या लड़की की माँ, उसका बाप, उसका भाई, वो भाई जो हो सकता है पुलिस ऑफिसर हो. ये भी हो सकता है उसका नाम आईपीएस विजय कुमार हो.
ओपन चुनौती.
उसका एक बाल भी पोस्टमार्टम के बाद कटी फटी बॉडी भेज दूंगा। अपने रिश्तेदारों को फोन कर दो, शोक मनाने के लिए आज।
Yeah, this one. I mean, this is amazing.
What an acting, Saji. Bigil.
Bigil. Ah,
Bigle.
this one.
பட்டு டைம் என்னாச்சு? ஓ 15 மினிட்ஸ் ஆச்சு. சாரி நான் டைம் வைக்கிறேன்.
Yeah.
ஜெய் एक दो तीन
Chal,
पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10.
பட்டுக்குட்டி டைம் என்னாச்சு?
Again.
வேற ஏதாவது காரணம் இருந்தாலும் சொல்லுங்க சார், பார்த்து பண்ணிக்கலாம். வேற எதுவும் இல்லை சார், நீங்க கிளம்பிக்கோ ப்ளீஸ், கிளம்பிக்கோ. மேட்ச் ப்ளீஸ் ப்ளீஸ். டேய் வேற எதுவும் இல்லையாண்டா? அப்படியாண்ணா? கிளம்புங்க. ஓகே வா.
Ooh. This style. Huh?
Saliva.
Alive.
Oh my. Oh.
It's gone now.
Wow.
Silence. Now the mains are behind him. Nobody can touch him.
Nobody can touch.
Right?
Yes. इसका हो रहा है, फट रहा है.
Okay. Oh,
These all are literally goosebumps moments
scenes
only.
and but
Literally.
this is very limited. We want more, right?
Very
This is
limited.
very short only, little bit only.
I think Amazon Prime का ये बहुत अच्छा है. He like Amazon Prime always like takes care of this thing that like making collaboration, making this kind of sync small videos
small
of
glimpse or
superheroes.
something, right?
Yes, of Talaiva or Talapati Vijay sir. If you search, you will get a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so
And not even
this is
that,
very amazing
but
to
they
see.
release for the movies and all.
Movies
also.
and all
Some
also.
clips of directly
Correct.
from the movie, not a mashup kind.
No,
but
not mashup
yes,
kind.
for
Directly from the
individual
movie.
movie, some scenes and all they will
Yeah,
release. And
because
this is
people
it,
have
right?
seen this Terry movie Master Talaiva Bigil so many times, but
We
still
have also.
we have also.
The
If we
craze,
get this kind
the
of
craze for these
video,
scenes and all, it's amazing.
Yes. And also one more thing which is very beautiful about Amazon Prime is like they always publish the movies with subtitles.
Yes.
So for us like North Indian people who don't understand any South Indian language, for those it's very brilliant.
Right.
Other OTT platform are there which publish the movies, but subtitles are not there, so that
Mostly,
is also
if
very
you see in
difficult to.
Amazon Prime and Netflix, subtitles will be there.
Subtitles will be there always.
And Hotstar, sometimes it's there, sometimes
It's not there.
And a lot of
Yeah.
other small
Yeah.
MX
MX
Player
player,
and
they
Geo
don't
Cinema
have.
and all, those are there, but they don't publish
They
any
don't
subtitles.
publish, so that is very beautiful thing. And really, like, we were thinking to give this reaction like Vijay goosebumps moments like from so long, because we really want to क्या बोलते हैं, cherish करना चाह रहे थे to
The moments.
the moments, the
That we have
goosebumps
seen,
moments.
that we have
Yes.
loved these scenes. and
There
all
are a
this.
lot of movies already there. Sarkar hai, Marcel hai, of Talapati Vijay sir, which also having goosebumps moments, right? So we'll be searching if we can have this collaborative kind of videos like
Yes,
from
from,
all the movies
Amazon
like
Prime,
chota
right?
chota Amazon Prime, so we'll be like giving the reaction.
It can be there.
It
Let's
can be
see.
there,
Yes, we'll
should
see.
be there, because वो movies में से भी बहुत सारा पोखिरी, बहुत सारे movies है, टुपकी, a lot of movies are there, right?
A lot of movies are there.
I
And
always
for,
like-
for that Bigil, we have done a lot of the scenes also in this channel.
Yes. For Bigil, a lot of scene reactions we have done. I think for Terry also 1 or 2 scenes
A
we
few
have
more,
done.
a few scenes, not a few, a lot of the scenes
Lot
we
of
have
the
done.
scenes we have done.
Maybe some got blocked and some still it's there.
It's there, yes. For Marcel, we got copyright strike, so that is why we couldn't do.
Right.
But yes, Marcel, like in person, we have seen this movie, and that is brilliant as usual.
amazing.
Okay, amazing. A lot of movies are there which are
For Marcel,
outstanding,
that
blockbuster.
airport scene is the important scene, right? Airport where
Hospital scene bhi.
that lady got stuck in her throat.
It was very real, man. Baap re. Matlab, I am recalling that scene. So all the movies of Talapati Vijay sir will give you goosebumps. Master to
And,
matlab
I
one
think,
of the
in each and every
bestest
movie we have
video.
seen, like he might be fighting with some of the other evils only.
Ha,
And
ha,
also
ha.
it will, you will be able to resemble with the real life scenarios.
yeah,
as well.
सरकार भी ना वो जो
Sarkar
scene
also.
था
Yeah, in
जिसमें
theory also, in Master also it's there, in Thalaiva also it's there, Bigil is also there, right?
They
Lot
are
of corruption
actually
with the shops,
all the-
sports and all, it's there. So
all the
those
movies
things
are
there.
representing the problems of the society, the common issues, right, which nobody will talk about, but it is a big issue and people are suffering literally. They are committing suicide and whatnot, like all the
In terms of
evils
issues and
thing.
all, I think
is.
Kathi is one of the biggest
Yeah,
one, right?
Kathi, yes. Ha.
He is fought for different kind of like villagers and all, right?
Even in Master also, that is also portraying the issue, like which is
yes.
there in the juvenile, right? That is also a big issue. Like he's all the movies are portraying some of
Right.
the issues which are very serious.
And I think Beast
and,
is coming. His next movie is coming.
next
The
movie is
Beast.
Beast,
It will be
yes.
totally a different concept. I guess.
concept, yes.
Full on action and all. It will be
So
there.
good, man. I think we have seen only the last Beast का जो हम किए थे वो है actress announcement. I think, if I'm not wrong. After that, I think we have not seen any lyrical video also.
Not
Nah,
yet, because
not
it's
yet.
shooting and everything is in progress.
Is in
right?
progress, yes. They only
and
have
maybe they might
पूजन
be in
वगैरह
hurry.
हो रहा था.
Yes,
Yeah.
right. And they might be in hurry also, right?
हाँ.
Because Omicron has started, right? So they will try to finish as soon as possible.
Yeah, so literally it is a goosebumps moments. Really enjoyed it, and if you want to see more such this kind of video, please let us know in the comment bar. We are having Talapati fever always, guys. Like if we are not giving the reaction also, sometimes it's very difficult because back to back movie scenes, like trailers are coming
New
out. We have
movies,
new movie trailers
are
are coming out.
And as you guys know that we are in hometown also, so we have to give time to family as
Family
well.
also,
So.
but Talapati Vijay sir was our favorite, is our favorite, will be our favorite always. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. If you love our reaction, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.